Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be introducing you to top 10 favorite dehumidifier of all time. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your opinions are highly valued. Introducing the SAMSICHI dehumidifier, your ultimate solution for a healthy and comfortable home. With a massive 85 ounces capacity, this powerful dehumidifier effectively removes excess moisture from the air up to 34 ounces per day. Its quiet operation, under 30 decibels in sleep mode, ensures a peaceful night's sleep. Customize your ambiance with its 7-color night light feature, creating a relaxing atmosphere. Its 2 working modes adapt to your needs, while the auto shutoff function prevents overflows. For continuous drainage, simply connect the included drain hose. Compact and portable, the SAMSICHI dehumidifier is perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, and RVs. Its ergonomic water tank design makes emptying a breeze. Experience the comfort you deserve with the SAMSICHI dehumidifier. Order now and transform your space into a fresh, healthy oasis. Introducing BARSKA's revolutionary dehumidifier, the ultimate protection for your moisture-sensitive valuables. With its innovative humidity indicator, it intuitively changes color when it's time for an easy microwave recharge. Engineered with non-toxic silicon dioxide, this device effectively absorbs up to 45 grams of moisture, effectively reducing humidity by 40% in a 3 cubic meter space. Ideal for safes, closets, cars, and more. It's the perfect companion for preserving your precious belongings. Its safe, microwavable design provides effortless maintenance, ensuring maximum performance and peace of mind. Experience the power of BARSKA's rechargeable dehumidifier today. Introducing the SIMSEN Oz dehumidifier, your ultimate solution for reducing humidity in your home. With advanced semiconductor technology, this dehumidifier effectively removes moisture up to 34 ounces per day, covering an impressive 800 square feet area. Whether it's your bedroom, bathroom, or basement, this powerful device will create a comfortable and dry environment. But it's not just about dehumidification. The SIMSEN dehumidifier also features a quiet sleep mode, 35 dB, for peaceful nights, and an ionizer that freshens the air. Ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. The innovative auto shutoff and auto drain hose prevent overflow and eliminate the need for manual emptying. And with its compact design and ergonomic handles, it's easy to move and place anywhere you need it. Experience a healthier, fresher, and more comfortable home with the SIMSEN 95 ounces dehumidifier. Order yours today. Introducing the revolutionary LUBAIR dehumidifier, designed to transform your living spaces by effectively removing excess moisture. With a powerful 50-pint water extraction capacity, this dehumidifier efficiently covers areas up to 4,500 square feet, making it ideal for basements, homes, offices, and more. Experience the convenience of 360 rotary wheels and a May 24, 2024 timer for effortless movement and preset operation. The intuitive touch panel provides clear readings of humidity levels, fan speed, and operating modes, while the 3 smart modes, Dehu, Dry, Pint, ensure optimal performance for various needs. Emptying the 0.66-gallon water tank is a breeze with automatic and manual drainage options. The included 6.56-foot drainage hose allows for continuous drainage, eliminating the hassle of frequent emptying. Designed with advanced noise reduction technology, this dehumidifier operates quietly at less than 42 dB, making it suitable for use in bedrooms and other areas where peace is desired. Enhance your living environment by controlling humidity levels and creating a healthier, more comfortable space with the LUBAIR dehumidifier. Introducing the ToLife dehumidifier, the ultimate solution for moisture control in your home. This efficient appliance effortlessly removes excess moisture from the air, creating a healthier and more comfortable indoor environment. Its innovative semiconductor condensation technology ensures effective dehumidification, while its built-in handle allows for easy portability. Whether it's your bedroom, bathroom, or basement, the ToLife dehumidifier has got you covered. It offers 2 modes, an efficient dehumidification mode and a sleep mode for a peaceful sleeping environment. Plus, the automatic shutdown protection and large 62 Oz water tank provide peace of mind and minimal maintenance. Up to 800 square feet coverage ensures optimum performance and effectiveness.
Introducing the SEAVON Dehumidifier. This compact and efficient device is perfect for small rooms. It removes up to 350 milliliters of moisture daily, keeping your space dry and comfortable. With Peltier technology, it operates ultra-quietly below 35 dB. And when the water tank is full, it automatically shuts off for safety. Its compact size and lightweight make it easy to move around, providing a healthy environment wherever you need it. Save energy and protect your health with the SEAVON Dehumidifier. It's energy-saving and more affordable than traditional chemical absorbents. And with a 1-year warranty and professional customer service, you can rest easy knowing you're covered. Don't let moisture ruin your comfort. Get the SEAVON Dehumidifier today. Introducing the Eva-dry E333 Mini Dehumidifier. This compact, spill-free device is perfect for small spaces like closets, cars, and gun safes. With a moisture absorption capacity of up to 6 ounces and a lifespan of up to 30 days, it effectively tackles humidity and odors. Its renewable nature and 5-year warranty make it a reliable choice for maintaining a dry and comfortable environment. As a moisture absorber, it efficiently prevents mold and mildew growth, ensuring a healthier space. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have experienced the benefits of Eva-dry dehumidifiers, known for their durability and effectiveness. Order now and enjoy a moisture-free, odorless, and healthy home. Introducing the Aiusevo 52 Pint Dehumidifier, your solution for dry and comfortable living. With its impressive 5,000 square feet coverage, it tackles excess moisture in large spaces, creating a healthier environment for your home or office. Versatile with 3 dehumidification modes, it adjusts to your specific needs, whether it's maintaining humidity levels for storage or drying damp clothes. The quiet operation ensures a peaceful ambiance while it effectively removes moisture. The portable design with universal wheels and 2 handles makes it easy to move between rooms. Multiple fan speeds, a 24-hour timer, and child lock provide convenience and customization. Choose from 2 drainage options: a visual water tank with an automatic stop feature or continuous drainage using the included drain hose. The removable filter ensures fresh and healthy air. Backed by a 30-day free exchange refund policy and a 1-year warranty, your satisfaction is our top priority. Invest in the Aiusevo Dehumidifier today for a drier, healthier, and more comfortable living space. Introducing the BREEZOME E60OZ Dehumidifier, your perfect solution for reducing excess moisture in small spaces. With dual semiconductor condensers, this dehumidifier efficiently absorbs up to 550 milliliters of moisture daily, creating a drier, more comfortable environment. Its 1.8L large water tank ensures long operation without frequent emptying, while the auto shut-off feature conveniently alerts you when it's full. Portability is made easy with a built-in handle, and the defrost function eliminates frost buildup. Choose between power mode or a quiet 35 dB sleep mode for restful nights. The colorful LED nightlight adds a soothing touch. Control your operation with the programmable 12 minutes, 24 minutes, 36 minutes, 48-hour timer, ensuring energy efficiency. This dehumidifier is perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, RVs, and other spaces where moisture control is crucial. Don't wait, upgrade to the BREEZOME E60OZ Dehumidifier today for a fresher, drier home tomorrow. Introducing the game-changing Aiusevo 22 Pint Dehumidifier. This efficiency powerhouse removes up to 2.5 gallons per day, ideal for spaces up to 2,500 Sq.ft. With its child lock, auto shut-off, and fireproof material, safety comes first. Choose between 3 modes: Dehu, adjustable humidity and fan speed, dry for wet clothes, and continuous 24/7 dehumidification. Its smart RH display and 24-hour timer allow for precise control. Plus, the washable filter, drain hose, lift-up handles, and 360 wheels make it incredibly convenient. Enjoy a 1-year warranty and exceptional customer support. Experience the ultimate moisture control with Aiusevo.